How to assemble the machine you can check in our previous video. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. It will ask for the password. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and then start. Now it is showing please wait, the position is going to 0. It will automatically set itself to the 0. Now you can set the timer. You can set delay extension and flex delay. Press start. Now you can set degrees, flexion degrees and extension degrees. Once you have set all the parameters, press start. Now you can see the machine is working. This is for the shoulder and this one is for the elbow. In elbow you can change on both the sides. For shoulder you can rotate the machine for right and left. This is the patient switch. You can press to stop and it will go to 0.